Hey, hi. So we're about to do some bareback riding with the kids from camp 2012 at Mega Arte. This is a little half miniature horse, half Shetland, Sensei. She's 8. And then we've got, over here we've got Butterscotch. She's a Welsh pony, and she's 7. And then over here we have Papa, who is a Hawaiian Island pony, and she is 11 now. So we're going to be doing bareback riding for the kids. Papa's the only one that's going to wear the bareback pad. The rest of them are just going to go Indian style, bareback riding. So, yeah.
Hold on to this nice and tight.
Oh my god, her trot is so fun.
I'm gonna hold a lot of hair.
Her trot is so smooth. I've only rode midnight.
Hold on to this.
There you go, you got it. Good job.
Okay, hold on to both hands. Doesn't matter. Just a lot.
What are those? They're shorts. This is yours.
It's gonna feel really wobbly.
One. Yep.
Just try and keep your heels down.
She walks so fast.
Here's my lovely destroyed fence from Papa.
What?
She broke the fence right there. Did you see the fence, Kim? She broke it so good, way up there. Can you imagine that? Pony's got a lot of kids. Yeah. Pretty high kid.
I'm just warming her up because she might.
Right? With someone on her back to pick that high.
If I fall, I'm right there.
Yeah, you're gonna fall if you have very tall, far too tall. Ivor Ride is riding her show horse.
Yes.
She's been showing this horse for years. She's grew longer and longer, and her horse Oh, now we're gonna do the big jump. Oh, kidding.